As the government shutdown drags on for another week, its impacts are being felt by everyone. It's forcing Head Start programs across the country to shut their doors due to the lapse in federal funding. And our Madeline Gillespie is live at the Fairmount Pines Head Start in Davenport this morning. And Madeline, tell us more about how this is going to impact our community.
Yeah, Dustin, this is a big deal for hundreds of families in our area. Today's the first day Head Start programs won't be able to open their doors due to the loss of funding. And that means children will lose access to so much more than just their classroom. I'm joined this morning by Lisa Rea, the director of Head Start. Lisa, can you tell me a little bit about what Head Start is, what services it offers to kids and their families?
Yeah, Head Start is a comprehensive program for children birth to age 5. They receive early learning experiences, educationally, nutritious meals, care each day from staff and that are qualified staff. We also are comprehensive, so they receive services in disabilities, mental health services for children that have developmental delays. We also conduct hearings, screening, oral health screens. It's a program that's been around for 60 years, and it works. And yeah.
What does this mean for these kids who are losing access to this program right now? What does this mean for their families too?
I would say that for families who we spoke with last week, the 3 top barriers for them: how are they going to afford childcare beyond Head Start? A family who qualifies for Head Start, it's based on the federal poverty guidelines. So they can make, a family of 4 can make $32,150, which is equivalent to $15.45 an hour. Realistically, that is not enough for a living wage. And then also how they're going to support paying their rent, bills, if they can't come bring their child here every day, and what's that going to do for them in the future if the shutdown goes on longer than this week.
Right. Now, how is this impacting your staff? You know, with no kids in the building, that means no teachers here in the building.
So we had to 45 staff were laid off on Friday. Staff will have to make big decisions if this goes on any longer. They'll have to make decisions on whether they're going to be able to come back or take other jobs. Many of our staff do have part-time jobs in order to support their families as well. So it is going to have big impacts. And for our program is, how will we come back from this when our doors open?
Thank you so much for your time this morning, Lisa. We appreciate it. Now, the hope is that the federal funding is restored as soon as possible. But until then, families will be left hanging in the balance, wondering where they can turn for support and how they can get that help they need. Live in Davenport, Madeline Gillespie, KWQC TV6 News.
A tough situation for those families for sure. And Madeline, thank you. And we'll continue to follow this story and its impact on our local families.